Hey everyone, it's Orly, and I'm here with Chad Estes today. He's going to talk a little kiosks with us. Chad, why did you create the kiosk, and what problems do they solve?
Well, the Conqueror Kiosk was really built to solve the problem of staff flexibility, making sure that people could do a little bit of self-service, and really just to streamline the customer experience from the time they walk in the door until the time they leave. So they're able to basically make any purchase in the center, from buying bowling to checking in for a reservation to just buying food and beverage, without the need for staff interaction or with minimal staff interaction. And it's really what they're used to when they're going to any other place right now, whether it's a restaurant, whether it's checking at the airport or the hotel. They're used to that type of service, and it really kind of helps to provide another service and touch point without adding staff.
And how is Conqueror Kiosk different from other kiosks?
So the Conqueror Kiosk is different because it is a full-service platform. We're able to actually go from from walking in the door to choosing your lane, to choosing your experience, to choosing food and beverage, to paying for your experience and going directly to the lane without ever having to stop anywhere. And not only that, it also is flexible. So you can book for another date coming up. You can just buy food and beverage. You can check in for a reservation, recharge your arcade cards. It's very flexible. So it's not really a one solution product. It's very dynamic, and the platform is flexible. So we'll continue to build and change it as we go.
Well, Chad, we appreciate your time today, and you heard it here, all about the kiosk. Thank you.
Thanks.